Have you ever wondered exactly what it is that makes us who we are? Or if there was some kind of biological explanation as to what makes us all so different and so beautiful and, well, so unique? Well, if you just took a quick Google search, not about your mortgage, but of what molecule contains the genetic code of organisms, you'd learn that it's DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. Not only does it contain the genetic code for animals, but also plants, protists, archaea, and bacteria. DNA has a double helix structure which contains 4 chemical bases, including adenine, which pairs up with thymine, and cytosine, which pairs up with guanine. Those nucleotide bases make up nucleic acids, and their special sequences are what stop you from being a tiny little ant like you see here, or even a cute puppy dog that loves joining their mom in yoga. Instead, they make you a Homo sapien, more commonly referred to as a human. While all this information is super great to know, it still doesn't tell us why we appear the way we do, and it can be confusing. I mean, how do we even get our DNA in the first place? Does it just appear out of thin air? It's stressful to think about. Well, just take a deep breath and calm down while I break it down for you. We inherit all of our genomes, which are made up of DNA, from our parents, about half coming from our mothers and the rest from our fathers. So if someone ever told you, hey, you have the exact same skin complexion as your mom, what they really mean is you must have inherited genes from your mother that instruct certain protein receptors to pigment your skin in a way that closely resembles hers. Now you see, a human cell that contains a single set of 23 chromosomes is called a gamete or a sex cell. Every single gamete is unique, which is why even though you may share the same biological parents as your siblings, you might not have all of the same physical characteristics, with the exception of identical twins, of course, who share the same egg and sperm cell. During the process of fertilization, a gamete from each parent will combine to form a zygote. Seeing as special procedures known as recombination and independent assortment occur during meiosis, a special process where parent cells divide twice in order to produce 4 gamete cells, each and every gamete will possess a different set of DNA, therefore producing a unique combination of genes. These genes are, you guessed it, made up of DNA which we get from our parents and instruct cells in our bodies to perform different tasks to make sure we thrive and determine our attributes such as our hair and eye color. So yeah, baby, you have your parents to thank for all the DNA in your cells, no matter what kind of cell they may be. So the next time you take a look in the mirror and you like what's looking back at you, be sure to thank your parents for your very special DNA.